Ready to turn your Wix website into a revenue-generating machine by showcasing and selling Amazon products. First, log into your Wix website editor and navigate to the Wix App Market by clicking on the Apps icon on the left-hand side of your screen. In the App Market, use the search bar to find an app that allows you to embed Amazon products. Type Amazon in the search bar. Several apps will appear for this tutorial. We'll use the Amazon Products Affiliate app. Click on the app and then click the Add to Site button to install it. Once installed, you'll need to connect your Amazon Associates account. This is crucial for earning affiliate commissions. Find the settings area for the Amazon Products Affiliate app and enter your Amazon Associate ID. Now, use the app's built-in search function to find the specific Amazon products you want to feature on your site. You can search by keyword or ASIN. Once you've found your desired product, simply drag and drop it onto the specific page or location on your Wix website where you want it to appear. Customize the appearance of the embedded product to match your website's design. Most apps offer options to adjust the size, layout, and button text. Preview your website to ensure the Amazon product is displayed correctly and that the Buy on Amazon button is working. When clicked, the button should redirect visitors to the Amazon product page using your affiliate link. Finally, publish your Wix website to make your integrated Amazon products live. Now you can start earning affiliate commissions by promoting and selling Amazon products directly from your website.